8 a.m. at the campsite. Just got done walking around, had a hot chocolate, talked to one of the counselors about entrepreneurship. He wants to start a business. Sorry I haven't posted the video. No internet around here. It's tough. So a quick little tour of the tent. Here we have the stove, or the heat source for the room. A dresser here. You've got 2 lamps that are charged by batteries. You got the bed here. You got a nice little chair and table setup. So Stephanie's hands are black from the fireplace last night, trying to keep warm. My little Cinderella. Not as rough as I'd feared, not as nice as I'd hoped. Tiny, tiny little shower. Should be enough. Flew the drone a little bit, got to see the campsite. We're gonna head and grab some breakfast now. Welcome to Westworld. I'm a robot. Are you a robot?
No.
Flying my drone. I've been hiking for the last like 3 hours after getting back at 3 a.m. this morning. It's been a very long day, but I'm really, really happy I brought the drone. What's your first decree?
I'm too tired. More sleep.
I mean, it's not.
If you wanna get with me.
Made it to the airport. Time to head home. Landed in San Jose. It is 11 o'clock. I'm excruciatingly tired. How you feeling?
Can't say.
Tired. This airport is legit closed. Bag. I just got home. It's like 11:40 right now. I'm very, very happy to be home. Very happy to have power, network. It's gonna be amazing. I'm giving myself about 24 hours to edit together all the footage from the past 3 days and get all 3 vlogs up. So let's get started.